Hi guys, this is Janine and you're in my kitchen. Today, I'm excited. This is a DIY I've been looking for a long time. I've seen several, never tried them because basically I kind of know how to make my own gravy from scratch, even without a dry mix, because I know from cooking so long. But that aside, I also have a dry brown gravy mix that I make in a pinch fast if I feel lazy. But I've never had or made an au jus. Au jus is for the French dip sandwich. And this is a nice one to have on hand because I'm excited. Never tried it. So win or lose, succeed or fail, you're with me today on this one. Okay, let's do it. And it sounds a little too simple to be true. So let's see. The ingredients are beef bouillon, cornstarch, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley, salt and pepper. Can it get more easy? I don't think so. So let's measure it out into here with my homesteading jar thing. Love this, love this, love this. Okay, and it's only teaspoons, but I still want to use it. I still want to use it. I'm here. Get beef. And guys, this is a good one. Orrington Farms broth-based beef. Okay, this is a good one. It's a rich beef for me. You know, I've had a few that are not as beefy. So we're gonna do one. It clumps a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it for the beef. I gotta get more of this. And I learned recently, and I'm gonna start using it, and I may put a dash in here. They're kind of similar, cornstarch and arrowroot, but arrowroot is a natural, it'll keep it from clumping, okay? Like I said, I'm not a homesteader. All right, 4 tablespoons of the cornstarch next. And I'm going to switch because that's dirty now for me. Oh, thank God I have several of these on hand. Cornstarch, 4 tablespoons. So weird, they changed the shape and it's... Cornstarch clumps. That's what's anti-clumper. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's gonna get on my nerves. 4. Now, in my naive mind, because I'm new to the DIYs and homestead and making your own for mixes and dry mixes and whatnot, I thought, okay, au jus is not thick. Why are we putting cornstarch, you know? Dumb me. I'm thinking, well, okay, cornstarch. But you'll see, and as I did, onion powder, 4 teaspoons. Okay, that's a good one. Let's get our teaspoons. Yeah, this one. 1 teaspoon, and we need 4. 4. There's always more onion in everything, I notice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can always put less or more if you favor something over another, you know. These are suggestions. You can modify, you can rectify. If something's in here you don't like, take it out, put something else you like in. You know, taste and play. These are suggestions, and you know, I love it. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm scared. They changed it to square. Alright. And last but not least, in the big spices, is parsley. Okay. How much parsley? 2 teaspoons. Okay, that's not gonna hurt nobody. Gotta take the plastic off. Hopefully it fits in here. It doesn't. 1, 2. Like for instance, example, let's say you don't like parsley, but you like oregano more. maybe you want your au jus to taste more oregano than parsley. Because parsley's mild. It doesn't seem like it has a lot going on. But I'm following this recipe because it's simple and it sounded good. So let's see. Salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of each, I guess. Let's try that. Half a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. And we're going to do half a teaspoon of salt. I have some really good salt. Okay, I have some really good salt. Where's my half a teaspoon? This is that Maldon. That's going to be really good. Okay, now here's the deal with this one. It has to get cooked, obviously, right? Let's shake it up. Now 5 teaspoons of this added to 2 cups of water. I have my water simmering already. We have to see, this is clumping on me. This is not working out for me. I'm gonna have to work with it. But you can trust me on this. Trust me on this. I'm gonna get that to move. 2 cups of water. 5 teaspoons of this to 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then bring it down low and simmer for 10 minutes. I'm gonna mix this better, and I'm gonna do that because it's over here already boiling. I'm gonna put my tablespoon, my teaspoons, 5 teaspoons in, and then I'll come back and show you the heated au jus, and then I got an extra surprise because we're gonna make this into a French dip sandwich. So let's pause and then I'll do that. Okay guys. The au jus is ready. I didn't taste it yet. It looks good. I'm having a snack because I haven't eaten breakfast. I'm going to make Vinny a French dip sandwich. We use deli roast beef, very rare, and provolone cheese. I'm going to heat it, put it on his bread, and you guys are going to watch him, and you're going to see the au jus, and we're going to all know if it's a win or if it's a pass. What do you think, 30 seconds on this cheese to melt? Hope that's not too much. We'll see. I messed up on film before. No biggie. Real time, real food, real life. I'm gonna pick it over there so it's falling off my head. I want to make sure this is really mixed. Gotta say it looks good, and I think it's because of that dip, that brand of broth. Alrighty, put that there. Let's get out the meat, and we're gonna see. All right, nice. I didn't overcook the. How would you say? Where's the? I didn't overcook.
Watch your head.
The meat. What'd you say?
Watch your head with the door.
I will. Thanks for reminding me because I would have hit my head on camera. That's for certain. So I'm trying to be perfect, but nobody really is. Okay. This sandwich is looking good, man. Not for nothing. As you could say. This is better than the, this is a French dip. This is not the, what do you call that other one I made you? The Philly cheesesteak. Yeah. This is just a beautiful French dip. Let me bring it over to the camera so everybody can see. This is the au jus. Okay. Now Vinny is going to take the tray. He's going to dip his sandwich. Let me smell it. Let me give it a taste myself in case I got to know if I would eat it again or if I would make it. It looks fantastic. Got the right consistency, see? Not too thick. And that's what I was meaning about the cornstarch. It does go in it, it's just thick enough. Okay, let's see. Smells good. It should be light. I don't have the sandwich in it, but I give it a go. Go ahead, now you put the camera up, take it, pull it over here. I'll tell you what it would hold back on, that it just hit me now. You want me to come over there and show you? Just let us know. They've seen the sandwich in the au jus. Dip it. Could come in the camera. And I'm going to try that. Good. Now I'm going to have to try. Put the camera by me.
It is on you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, baby. Here we do. I did not have breakfast.
It's good.
Oh, mamma mia.
All right, stop eating my sandwich.
That is a keeper. Turn it to me just so I could say goodbye properly to my
You're
friends
wiring
and
it.
people. Oh my God. I would never think that I could make it. The only thing for me, I tasted it late. I would pull back on the pepper for me. Other than that, and you could use a little bit more salt if you guys want it. But it is better than a restaurant au jus. And to be able to make it like that because you want the sandwich. You know how many times Vinny has roast beef sandwiches with provolone? You guys see my channel. And we've never had the idea to do this because I didn't know how to make the au jus. Not that fast, or I was lazy to make the one I've seen. But, or the jars or the envelopes. I have the envelope. And let me tell you, it was $1.80. You could go. I don't need you anymore. I'll come and pause myself. $1.85. I have it in the cupboard. Enjoy, babe.
Okay.
And that is a keeper. I am so excited. What do you need? Napkin? I am so excited. You saw it here. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it. I think a factor of great flavor was this Orrington Farm broth-based beef. But I will say to you, and this is all about the food that I have to chatter on, it was a little clumpy. It's a very moist, I don't know why it is, but if you could look in there, it's kind of moist. The other ones are powdery. See how it stick to the lid? So that's an issue to me, but I showed you. It stuck to the bottom of the jar a bit. You know, I shook it. If you want to use my tip about the arrowroot, I would add a teaspoon of arrowroot to this because it says it's a natural anti-clumping agent in arrowroot. I doubt that cornstarch has it in itself because they're interchangeable, but it's clumpy. But just mix it well. Couldn't get easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. Was that 7? No, I'm counting the jar. Duh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with salt. I really don't count salt and pepper, so you could say it was 5. 5 ingredients to an amazing au jus anytime you want. Who doesn't love a hot French dip sandwich? All right, guys. Till the next video, thank you for watching. As always, stay well, be well. Okay, guys, once again, here it is. And I would say I took almost a half a cup for Vinny. You yield about a little bit more than a full cup. I don't know for certain if you could freeze it. I'm going to Google it and try. And if I can, I am going to. But why would I? I have it on hand now to make in minutes anytime we want. So pretty cool.